Okay, first part done. A part done here. Let's do find bearing part B. Find bearing of B from A. So bearing of B from A. So we have to draw the north direction at A. This is our north direction at A. So our target is to find out this angle. This would be the bearing of B from A. So how to find that? This is 62. If I extend, so that would be also 62. Yes, alternating 62. So if it is 62, that would be 128 minus 62, because the whole angle is 128. So 128 minus 62 is 66. So this is 66. So this angle would be now 180 minus 66, which is 180 minus 66 is equal to 114 degrees. So bearing of, so this answer would be 114 degree, bearing of B from A. Okay, now C, the bearing of A from C, of A from C. So at C already north direction is this, so we have to find out this angle now. Okay, how to do that? Calculate the distance. Oh no, it is given, so sorry, it is 133 degree bearing given, which means bearing of A from C is 133 degree. Calculate the distance AC. Now I have to find out distance AC, this distance. Alright, okay, so if it is 133, so easily we can find this one. 180 minus 133, which is 47 degree. 47 degree. So now our focus is to find out the length of AC. So now see, if I consider AHC triangle, AHC triangle, this side is given, this angle given, this angle given, we need to find this side. So easily we can use sine formula. So for the part C, let's do it here. Part C, AC by AC over sine 62 equal to 54 over sine 47. From here we can find out AC. So 54 over sine 47 into sine 62, which is 65.1930, which is in three significant figures 65.2 degree answer. Okay, now in part D they are saying a light ship L is positioned due north of H. That means L must be somewhere on that line, because this line is north direction from H. So light ship L positioned due north of H and equidistant from A and H. So L must be somewhere here on this line, such that A equidistant from A and H. So L's distance must be somewhere such a position. So this length, I mean, suppose this is L, so this length and this length should be equidistance from A and H. So if we assume that this two distances equal, so this angle is 62, so this angle must be also 62, because from isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, their opposite angles must be equal. So now calculate the distance AH. So we have to find out this distance. All right, so now this angle we know, this angle we know, so this angle we can find out. Calculate the distance HL, sorry HL, this one we have to find out. So okay, so HL by sine formula, HL by sine 62, and this by HL by sine 62, and so if this 62, let's find out this angle. This angle should be 180 minus 62 into 2, which is 56. So part D, let's do it here. Part D. So if I use sine formula on this triangle, now this triangle, so I can write 54 over okay 54 over 54 side, this over sine 56 equal to HL over sine 62, which means HL is equal to 54 times sine 62 divided by sine 56. So HL equal to 57.5114, which is 57.5 kilometer. That's the end of the math.